Okay, so my Mspa hot tub broke. It was throwing an F1 code for the filter pump, clogged filter, some issue of that sort. I dumped all the water out of my spa, relieved some of the air, took off the assembly pieces for the filters and the filter with the little wrench thing. These things, took those off. The pump will come out. And took all the fittings apart that you needed to take apart. I was able to do it all by hand. I didn't need any channel locks or anything special like that. The pump, I took the pump out first off the bottom. It was down here, underneath here. When you take it out, you can flip it upside down. The pump is underneath. Take the pump out. I am an air conditioning technician, so I have a multimeter and I know how to use it. I checked the resistance of the motor and made sure the motor is spinning freely. This thing just kind of floats inside. It's nice, and I think it's just water cooled, and it's a real simple motor. Looks like something that was in my washing machine that broke, and that's why the water wouldn't drain out. But that's what circulates the water in this hot tub. I had to take it apart, these 4 screws right here, and cleaned it up, took the things out. Make sure you don't drop the little black washers. Those are away so it doesn't wear at it's a median. It's kind of like a bearing bushing type thing. So they're really small, thin like paper. Don't lose them. I used my alligator clips right here to bypass the pressure switch right here. The pressure switch is on the top. Oh crap. It's in here. You could take it off. You could check if you have a opener. You can ring it out with your meter and just blow on it. You'll hear it click when you blow on it, so it should close when you blow on it, and it'll be an open circuit when you don't blow on it. Don't suck on it unless you like doing that. I checked the board. The circuit board's inside one of this little plastic gray thing, and it has 2 screws with this holding it in. There's a couple zip ties, so you want to pack some zip ties when you put it back together. I knew I had 24 volts on the control board because how would it have given me the F1 code if it didn't have voltage? So the transformer was good. This thing died in the rain. It was raining really hard out here in California. It's really, really, really crazy. It's like a tropical storm. And this thing decided not to work anymore. I really would have liked to hop in when it was cold and wet outside and been in a nice warm hot tub. So that's what I did. To verify that the pump was working, I plugged it in, so I cleaned this up. There might have been some gunk inside of here that kept the pressure switch from actually showing that there was water in here moving, but I doubt it because the actual motor wasn't moving at all when I tried to turn it on. It lit up and then showed an F1 code. I think that the F2 code is the code for the flow switch. And yeah, I checked the board for any like burnt marks on the back, or maybe something blew on the board causing the motor not to run. Everything's good. And yeah, sorry I didn't take a video of taking it apart and putting it back together. I hope you don't try to do this if you're not mechanically inclined, but I figured that anybody out there that has any kind of mechanical ability would be able to take this apart and put it back together and not have leftover screws. Good luck, and I hope you fix your hot tub.